Greater Hyderabad, mega city. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is the fifth largest cosmopolitan city in India. The city thrives with a variety of culture intermingled into an astounding tradition that gives it a distinct identity of its own. This is where tradition fuses with modernity and heritage structures strive for superiority with modern high-rise buildings to add to the beauty of the city. Hyderabad, the magical name that brings to the mind's eye vision of royal grandeur and leisurely Nawabi atmosphere. This legendary city, with a 400-year-old history and exquisite markets, are world famous for its fascinating contrasts and unrivaled attractions. This is the city where traditions and technology coexist, a revolution that had already attracted major MNCs to set their overseas base here. Hyderabad is better known for its affordable real estate and very low cost of living. Even the lifestyle in Hyderabad became more luxurious than before. But spiraling land prices in ever-expanding city, populated with workforce that is well aware of global standards, has pushed up the lack of peacefulness and even the investments. Commercial rental agencies were frowned upon and even the middle class could afford to own a very large apartments at pollution-free zones. Keeping in mind GK Developers, the established company since decades of its great success and track record, offers a world of ultimate luxury within the cradle of enchanting bliss at GK's Habitat Royally, a place with eco and bio-friendly ambience. GK Developers have a strong team of professional creative designers who consistently work to produce new ideas and designs. GK Developers have pulled in talent and expertise from diverse backgrounds like architecture, civil engineering, planning, management to effectively cater to varied requirements of the clients. All the projects handled by GK Developers in the past speak volumes about efficiency and capacity. They are well equipped to transform your dream projects into reality. GK's Habitat Royally is coming up in 2 blocks and spread over an expanse of 3.45 acres in April. The 230 apartments are planned to perfection. The developers offers all the luxurious facilities along with mini pool, children play zone, manicured gardens, avenue plantations, RO system at kitchen, solar water heating system, power fencing, security surveillance, and all advanced technical specifications at RCC structures, walls, flooring, plastering and painting, electrical works, and elevators at Habitat Royally. Habitat Royally built around countryside nature so that GK's clients and customers can feel the bounty of nature that is in offer at Royally. GK's Habitat Royally presents the perfect location to make the most of apartment-style city living. You enjoy all the conveniences as you are next door to everything. Tirumalgiri Crossroads, adjoining the Secunderabad Cantonment and Spencer Shopping Complex, Fifth Avenue Restaurant, Bhavan School, Sai Baba Temple, Indus World School, Swami Ayyappa Temple and Paulomi Super Speciality Hospital. Sainikpuri Crossroads are the nearest landmarks for GK's Habitat Royally. If the mankind is really trying to give a new spin to their life, they can indulge in the very best of amenities to make their homes heavens of space and style. If this comes at an exorbitant need, then so be it. Because in what is an example of capitalist excess, cost no bar will become the mantra of discerning luxury home buyers at Hyderabad once you visit GK's Habitat Royally.